What's good, YouTube? It's your girl K-Me, and this is my first video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing the asymmetric bob butterfly locks. So this side is going to be red and this side is going to be black. Yesterday I washed my hair and I did these parts, as you can see. So it took me about 9 hours to do this. Anyways, so I got these. I got the Freetress braid of the red, and I got the 1B of these. I got 2 packs. I got 2 packs of both just in case, because I don't know how much I'm gonna be having to use. I got my crochet needle. So let's get started. So I just opened up the red because I'm gonna be doing this side, this whole side, half side red. So it comes with 16 strands of hair. Since the red is like pretty long, I might cut it in half because it's gonna be like a bob. So this side gonna be short and this side gonna be long. This is very long. Let me show you guys the black. But look, it's short. It's shorter than the red. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it in half. Right at the top. I hope it don't mess it up. I think I'm gonna use 2 strands each braid. To the back. Open my crochet needle. It's gonna be my first time doing it by myself. Okay. I got a rubber band in it too. So I'll just stick it in. Ow. 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 Oh, wait. The hell, not even in. Hold up. Damn. It's stuck. Lord. I'm trying to do this. I can't close it. Oh Lord. I might need to get my other crochet needle. I'll be right back. I got my other crochet needle. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work better than the other one. I'm gonna have to search up how to put this in my head. I'm having a hard time. Let me keep opening. See? It's still opened. It's hard. Somebody please help me. Wait. Damn. Oh. I think I know. So I guess I'm gonna just stick that in. Put this head in. Close it. And bring it over. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Alright. And pull one side through the braid. I'm gonna just tighten the like this short. I think I'm gonna do it that short. Alright, so I'm gonna just wrap the hair around this hair in my braid. So go this way. Just tighten the roots first. Make sure it's tight. And so I can cover the rubber band and the braid. And I'm gonna just wrap it around. Going down. Also stick my finger through it to make it distress. I guess. I think that's right. I think I'm wrapping it too much. I'ma see. I'm probably putting too much. Oh Lord. I think I messed up because I got all this at the bottom still that I have to do, and it's not gonna be long enough. I probably should never cut it. Do it really takes so long to do one braid? I'm gonna just like fold it and wrap it back up. That is too short. I don't know, I'ma see. I just finished this one. Do I think it's too short? I don't know if I think it's too short. I don't know yet. I don't know if I might keep it this length. Alright, so I'm back, y'all. I'm so sorry. My camera went dead. And I finally decided on what I wanted to do. So I wanted to make it this length. And I'm gonna have to redo these over again because they're too short. And I decided, but I told you guys that this is longer than the black. And you seen that I was cutting it in half. I decided not to cut it in half and just keep it this length. I still have these to do. I put these in the rubber band because these gonna be black and this is gonna be red. So that's how you do it. I'm about to put the camera on the charger and then I'm gonna come back further along. Alright. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I finally finished. As you can see, I readjusted these two because I made it so short and I wanted it this length. It is actually not asymmetrical. It's actually, I guess, just a bob. It didn't actually come out how I wanted it to come out. Long, a little bit long on this side and this side short. I don't know. But anyways, I think I actually want these to be on this side. I think that looks much better to me. So this is the final look. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Kami. This is my first video. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this style. I really like it. And comment down below and tell me what else videos y'all would like for me to do. I will be posting soon. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.